In 2021, a team of leading diabetologists, visionaries, and passionate health tech enthusiasts came together with a mission to help those living with pre-diabetes and type 2 diabetes. And today, the team is celebrating 35,000 plus users who are on their path back from diabetes. Hi, I'm Shivtosh Kumar, co-founder of Sugarfit, India's most trusted brand for diabetes reversal. Each day, we push the boundaries of possibilities, proving why we are the best at what we do. And today, I'm thrilled to announce our new and latest addition, Sugarfit AI, Diabetes Store, and a much smoother app experience. The purpose of Sugarfit AI is simple: to simplify diabetes management with precise, on-the-go assistance anytime and anywhere. Now let's join Piyush on his diabetes reversal journey with Sugarfit. His mornings start with one-on-one call with his dedicated diabetes coach, analyzing overnight CGM trends and devising a plan to make sure he has minimal sugar spikes throughout the day. Food and the effect it has on his blood sugar level used to be a guessing game for him. Using the Sugarfit AI, Piyush can now log his breakfast in seconds and instantly get a breakdown of his nutritional intake. But food is not the only factor influencing blood sugar. Stress also plays a big role. And how does he manage his stress? When stress hits, Piyush looks for advice from Sugarfit AI, and today it has suggested him a mindful yoga video to swiftly calm him down. For lunch, he consults Sugarfit AI for meal suggestions, and the app instantly curates a selection of healthy, delicious lunch options based on his unique needs. He uses Sugarfit Active Foods, our brand dedicated to diabetes reversal. Delicious, nutritious, and tailored for his health. Throughout the day, Piyush is able to ensure minimal sugar spikes with the help of our latest features like the daily health metric tracking, live sessions, access to the care team. Before bed, he scans his CGM and it shows minimal sugar spikes throughout the day. Thanks to the combo of informed choices and Sugarfit AI support, his glucose level seems to be stable the whole day. Piyush's life is a testament to the power of Sugarfit. We are his personalized coach, his stress buster, his recipe guru, and his health partner, all rolled into one app, and our users can vouch for it.